What's good, y'all? It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talk, TC Fitness. Gladly here with y'all. Back at it again with another YouTube video. So I'm gonna continue making these videos talking about the state of the economy and how things have been going. Now, yes, bro, everybody has their own perception about the economy and about these jobs, right? Everybody got their own opinion. But the truth is, working just one job is not enough out here no more, bro. Especially where I live at, New York City, right? Unless you're like a freaking lawyer or a pro athlete or a streamer making $10,000 a month, unless you have something that's really bringing in the bag. If you're a regular W-2 worker like myself, you gotta make sure that you're embracing some side hustles, and you gotta make sure that you're putting your money into assets. All right, that's highly important. Now I am, trying to grow this YouTube platform, and all I ask is that you hit that subscribe button if you are new. I'm a young melanated man out here really trying to make it and tell you guys things that I need to hear. Now, if you I get it, bro. We get tired of the system. We get tired of working for money, training time for money, X, Y, and Z. But even if you're going to take the entrepreneurial route, which is what I've been, still doing. I've been doing Uber Eats on my off days. I got this YouTube channel, and I'm invested in the stock market, which is entrepreneurship in a way. If you're going to take that route, you still got to embrace the journey. And you still got to put time in and effort in and energy. All right? But the times where you could just live off of one stream of income and work the job and you was able to take care of a family, your car note, your rent, all these other things, right? I think those times have vanished, right? And people will continue to either find a way to make things work or I don't know. All right. Now, yes, bro. Everybody is feeling the cost of living. Everybody is feeling the difference, bro. You know, except for the billionaires out there in the world. I was about to say multi-billionaires, but the billionaires in the world, um, the multi-millionaires in the world, maybe they aren't really feeling the inflation, but the average worker definitely feeling it because we know like the paycheck is not keeping up with the cost of living, right? You might have a couple dollars after you get paid to save up or to pay down some debts or to do whatever you're gonna do with the money, but you got to make it a priority to pay yourself first. All right. Now y'all can see I'm out here in the matrix. It's my off day for my W-2, but I'm grinding doing my Uber Eats. You know, and it's time to myself. It's time that I get to work on my craft and things of that nature. And I also want to say this too, right? Being that I'm speaking about my craft, God is giving me signs where I need to start talking about the stock market more. I need to start helping people learn about investing. All right. I try to help like some of my coworkers because it doesn't hurt me to try to help other people free themselves from the rat race, right? Because that is a very, very like tough like journey. It's a tough place because you're in the hamster wheel. You working from paycheck to paycheck, which is what majority of the world is doing, right? And you're working for a paycheck that doesn't really cover much things. So the only way that we get ahead in this human experience is through asset ownership. And yesterday I had two people that signed up on the Stash app, which is the app that I use to invest. Right? They ain't paying me. They don't even know I exist. But I had two people that signed up under me. So if you sign up under me, you get $50, and I get $50, right? And then you get an addition. Oh, Well, after you deposit $20 into your portfolio, so I was about to say you get an additional $20, but you don't. After you deposit $20 into your portfolio, Stash will send you $50 to use to buy some stocks, and then Stash will send me $50. So yesterday, like I said, I had two people that signed up, which Stash ended up sending me $100, $50 for each person, and I was hyped. I was like, "Let's go, let's go!" Like that came in a clutch. So if y'all want to sign up under me for the rest of these videos, I will be leaving my link in the description or in the comment section so that y'all can sign up. All right, I've been using Stash app for 3 years now, and it is a very, very beneficial app. It's user friendly. Once again, I ain't getting paid for this. They don't even know I exist. I'm just saying this because I feel like it's a part of my calling to help y'all with the stock market, along with helping y'all with y'all retention journey. All right. So yeah, y'all could do that. But anyway, like I said, times that we living in, having this one source of income is not enough, right? You gotta find a way to make it. You know, uh, there's only but so much that you could cut out on when it comes down to lowering your expenses and all this extra stuff. Oh, cut out the avocado toast, whatever they be gaslighting y'all with, bro. Cut out the Starbucks coffee, bro. It's only but so much you're gonna cut out on. Your main focus should be how can I make more money. They don't never really tell y'all that. Oh, focus on making more money. Focus on having a higher income. You understand what I'm saying? Because there's no cap on the amount of money that you can make. There is a cap on the amount of time that you have to make the money, right? Especially at the job. You're working 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day. And then if the money stops as soon as you stop working, that is a cap. But if you have assets, the assets work for you 24/7. The assets don't need a day off. They're not gonna call in sick. And even things like passive income. Yes, it takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of capital, bro. Like some of us think, oh, I'm about to put $100 in my portfolio and then tomorrow I'm gonna become a millionaire. Bro, it don't work like that, bro. You need to generate the habit of investing, the habit of saving. Well, me personally, I be putting my savings into my assets, bro. That's just me. But I did make a video telling y'all that I wasn't gonna put all my savings into my assets, right? Because I gotta still survive. I gotta still make sure I eat. You know what I'm saying? Things of that nature. So, and I don't like to call things an emergency savings. Like, I don't like those terms because that means that you're looking for an emergency to happen and then you have the money. Nah, just look at it as a savings buffer where you're gonna put it to assets or you're just gonna have the savings in your bank account. You know, but we have to focus on having a higher income and letting our money work for us and delaying the gratification. You know, don't compare yourself to other people in the world. Don't look at what this person got and what that person got. Focus on yourself. Focus on building your financial moat, you know, and making sure that you're okay. Because nobody's gonna come and save you. Nobody come and save me, bro. That's see, I'm out here. It's just me and God, you know. And luckily, I still have the Uber app. You know what I'm saying? Because my W-2 job, they don't pay enough money, bro. They don't. After all my expenses are taken care of, I got a couple dollars to save and then and invest. That's it. You know what I'm saying? But the days where you just working a regular job and that's it, if you're not making five, six, $7,000 a month take home, it's not enough, bro. It's not enough. Especially if you got like a car note, car insurance, you got kids, if you got a mortgage, like it's not enough, right? So the only thing that's really gonna save us out here is the high income skills, investing into assets, putting our money to work, and focusing on that. The more assets you own, the less time that you got to trade for money because the money is gonna work for you. Look at this. Y'all can't make this up, bro. Look. Oh, he put out mad food right there to the birdies. Y'all see that? He put out mad food to the birdies. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video for the channel. Whoever it reaches, it reaches. I don't have control over the algorithm, bro. And I'm at this point, I don't even care what happens. I just want to make these videos and stay in my creative state. So, appreciate y'all. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to, and leave some comments. Retain your energy. Yes, sir.